today we're gonna make poppy seed chicken. We made this last week and my husband and I love it. The girls, not so much, but they'll get over it because we love it. Things first, I'm going to cut out all the chicken and shred it up. I love Costco chicken. It's just such a good deal and you get so much meat, and I love saving the skin and putting it in the air fryer and frying it up. Hey, no, stop, Lydia. If you're gonna stay up here, please don't touch anything.
I eat it.
No, they're not ripe yet, so they're not going to taste good if you eat it.
I rolled it in the ball.
Okay, go ask Daddy to open it for you.
Every single thing here. Good job, Chloe!
Now I am going to use this handheld mixer to just blend the chicken up because this shreds it super quickly. The last time I hand shredded it, you don't have one.
Mama, I'm Mimi's house.
Oh, you're right. It is at Mimi's house.
Yeah.
But last time I hand shredded all the chicken, it took like 30 minutes to get it done and took too long. Chicken bits are flinging everywhere. Because it's faster. Oh, Chloe's coming to join the party. Normally, I will put the chicken first in the baking dish and then layer this. But I feel like the soup didn't really get into like the crevices of the chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump it into the chicken now and just mix everything and then bake it that way. I have a 26-ounce can and also a 10-ounce can. The last time I made this, my mother-in-law said maybe I should add more of the soup or some more sour cream in it, and I'm going to listen. There goes the second can. You're so gooey.
I made it.
And it's about a cup of sour cream, so I'm just going to eyeball it and put that much into it. All right, mix it up. This is so much chicken.
Yes.
All right, I'll let you mix that, and then I am going to melt a stick of butter and then crush up some Ritz crackers.
Okay. Very heavy. Look. Oh. Be careful.
Oh, thank you. I am. I'm being careful. No, don't put that in there, please.
Wow.
Because those are clean.
Oh.
I forgot the poppy seeds. I'm literally making poppy seed chicken and I forgot the poppy seeds.
Buddy.
So I just eyeball basically everything. I don't know exactly how many poppy seeds I'm supposed to use, but I'm just gonna use the rest. And then I guess I'm just going to mix it back up again so the poppy seeds kind of disperse itself. Okay, and now I'm going to crush up some Ritz crackers. Yeah, I can give you a new one. And then I'm going to, so I'm just going to sprinkle the Ritz crackers on top. And kind of use my hand to smooth it over. I'm going to pour the melted butter on top. And this is gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, my poppy seed chicken's ready, so I'm going to get it out of the oven. Here it is. Ah, it looks so good. Can I put it on this countertop? Maybe not. But I broiled it for like 5-ish minutes until the top was a little more crispy, because after 30 minutes of baking it, the top wasn't very golden brown and I didn't like the look of it. So just broil it or bake it for a little bit longer if you want the top to be a little bit more brown. It is way too hot for me to take a bite right now, but it is so good and I hope y'all try it. I first tried it because my mother-in-law cooked it for us and that's when I fell in love with it. And it is so easy to do. The girls right now aren't a fan, so hopefully one day they will be. But yeah, enjoy it.